quick for a hit on a reel. Seen queens trade crowns for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray for them. We all one mistake from the cage out of graveyard. Living like a movie, but the credits never roll. They gon' crop you out the frame if you ever lose control. Talk truth, they call it hate, but the fake love louder than an 8. Every scar got a sermon in it, every L got a learning in it. I ain't perfect, I just pin it how I lived it. If the game rigged, then I still pivot. Mirror on the wall, tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running for my flaws, still I'm standing 10 feet tall. Mirror, don't you lie, I can see it in my eyes. Truth gon' surface every time, even when no mirror on the wall. Tell me who gon' rise and fall. I've been running.
Hello, good morning. We are here at Paultons Park. Yes, obviously you've just seen the vlog for Valgard. This is going to be the Superfan Day vlog. I'm going to take you around the park, see what updates there are. Obviously show you the new announcement for 2027. The worst kept secret, I think there is.
Yeah, unfortunately it did get leaked like, what, a few days ago?
Oh, yeah.
Which is kind of sad really, because it should have been the park that were able to announce it, not other people leaking it. But let's go see what's in store for us, because it's normally behind the scenes of some rides and stuff, and
we'll show you that and we'll take you along for the ride. Here is now the second best area here at Paultons Park. Yes, it's Tornado Springs, where you have Storm Chaser over here, have Synclinator as well, very similar to a Victus at Blackpool. You gotta love Paultons Park. 5-minute queue time. The Storm Chaser. Crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Whoa! Oh wow! Whoa! Jesus! Oh wow! That was so intense! Oh wow! Oh wow, that was proper intense! Super intense on Storm Chaser. We went sideways down the helix, so that proper gives you a funny feeling head. Really? Why are we in the queue line for Splash Lagoon?
It's rude not to.
Really? It is a good ride. Oh, Splash Lagoon. Do you get away on these rides? This ride is now 2 years old. This was our first time we come to Paultons Park. This was brand new. So yeah. Considering it is 2 years old, the ride is looking immaculate. Oh, here we go. I'm going to get absolutely soaked here, aren't I? Here we go. Yeehaw! Ah! Oh, soaked. Absolutely soaked. I'll be moist. Oh, a little bit of a splash. I got a little bit of splash down my legs as well. Not too bad.
A bit wet.
Yeah, you got splashed. And a lagoon.
I didn't get splashed, it was like a fucking waterfall. And I tried to brace and I couldn't because it was too late before my brain realised.
Oh dear. Never mind. We're all meeting inside Tornado Springs. We'll meet up and then we get separated and do some behind the scenes tours. If you haven't already, make sure you do check out our full day vlog from Valgard, where we show you POVs of all the rides.
Even check out like our previous Superfan Day vlogs, because there's behind the scenes from rides that are also available for behind the scenes today. However, the only one that we were interested in is Drakon, because the other two we've done twice.
Yes.
So
I'm pretty sure everybody's going to go to the same place.
Yeah, everyone will go to Drakon, but do you know what? I think it's worth it.
Absolutely. So we're now in the queue line for a charity. We've all checked in, we've got our stickers. Where's Hayley's sticker? She's
I feel like that's up for grabs. I don't know where we would put that.
Yeah.
If we won that, it would be a reach out to Sambra. Do you want to buy it?
Oh yeah. We'll sell it to you, 20 quid. But yeah, it looks like we got some wheels, some caps, Mack ride caps. Hopefully we don't win that. That's too big. I don't think that'd even fit in the car. Yeah. £1 a ticket, £5 per strip. The wheels, ride cards, with some lanyards, pin badges, layouts for the rides. We've even got some merch on sale as well. It's the same merch that was in the shop, but yeah. Quick opinion on the merch quickly, Hayley?
I like it actually.
It's brilliant.
They've done really well.
We need more of it though. Need more of it. We need trolls. Trolls plushie. Yeah, we're now heading, I think anyway, to a behind the scenes tour of Drakon. That's the plan anyway, but everybody's heading there. So I don't know if we'll actually do it. But we've got beer in hand. Hayley's got Prosecco. Cheers, Hayley.
Cheers.
So yeah, included in this super fan day, we get an ERT on the build swing. And behind the scenes tour of Drakon. Yeah, we've got the build swing and an ERT. Yeah, we're just all heading around the back of Drakon for behind the scenes. Literally everybody is gone here, but it should be good. Looking forward to it, Hayley. Behind the scenes.
It's exciting, isn't it?
It is. One great thing about behind the scenes tours, you get up close to track. Look at the stool on the ride. It's incredible. Yeah, okay. If you ever come to one of these super fan days, go and do Flight of the Terror. You can see so much more than
Well,
Drakon.
Raven has a behind the scenes as well.
Yeah, it's a little bit disappointing.
Well,
I'll add a few
it's
pictures
cool.
in, but it's cool to see it. But yeah. Here's a little secret. Now everybody thinks it's going to be a Mack water coaster because they've seen the track. What if it's actually an RMC and they're just fooling people? Included with the event, we've actually been given some free food. A cheeseburger, curly fries, some chicken tenders, barbecue sauce. It's alright, this, isn't it? Again, we must thank Paultons Pub for their hospitality. We just had some tasty food. We've got about an hour before we get the new announcement of the new ride. There isn't a water coaster. It's not a water coaster. But yeah, we can ride Cyclinator, Storm Chaser, and we've got the water raft ride that I was coming out of my head, which we're going to do next. I'm not going to take you on ride these ones. So you can see the POVs in other vlogs from Paultons Park, but yeah, take you on, let's have fun. Hour, sleep and ride, Storm Chaser. I can remember the name earlier, Buffalo Falls. We're going to be the only two people on it.
The only thing is it needs a lift going up.
It needs a lift going up. But I mean, yeah, I'm sure you can maybe get a piggyback with the rafts. Yeah, Hayley loves this ride.
I do love it, but it kills my lungs every time.
Kills your lungs? You're not supposed to run down it.
Well, no, it's going up a hill.
Oh, going up up the stairs.
I'm asthmatic.
Oh yes. Right, come on, Eye of the Tiger, come on. Rocky. Do 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 do. Run, run, run. Holy cow! That was incredible. I wish I actually filmed that for you. But hey ho, it is what it is. The airtime we get from her. Oh my god, anybody who's done Buffalo Falls knows it's a long way up. And we ain't the fittest people. But Hayley, did you enjoy Buffalo Falls?
I always enjoy Buffalo Falls. We are going to do it again, but I need my head.
The airtime though. It was crazy. I looked, oh my god, I'm taking off.
The thing is, Chris starts off strong, right? And then at the end, I just overtake.
I know this is going to sound really horrible. I don't mean this any disrespectfully, Hayley. But you were like a foot within hitting the end bit. Thank God there's pad in there.
At the end I just flew.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot more benches out this year than ever before. It's normally just these benches here, but yeah, they've extended it. No one's here yet. We've still got about 45 minutes to go. We've got a big screen as well.
Welcome to our third theme park Superfans event. I can't really believe that 3 years ago, me and Gary, not James unfortunately.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry, yes. No Gary. But me and Gary were on this stage 3 years ago announcing Ghostly Manor to the world and of course teasing Valguard. And now Valguard's open. You all enjoyed it?
Yeah!
And Drakon's good?
Yeah!
A massive thank you has to go to our whole team and all of our suppliers, our contractors that have worked here for decades. Here at Paultons in one form or another, working on Valguard. They took such pride in their work and they really shared our vision to create a fantastic area, and I think we've definitely achieved that. So massive thank you to everyone.
Can we just, thank you very much. Thank you.
So you ready to find out officially what's coming next year?
Yeah!
Only the bravest Vikings would face the seas of Valguard. Many said the oceans were cursed. But Vikings were born to cross the mighty oceans. And soon, it will be your turn to join us.
So there you go, there's the official Mack Rides layout. Of course we are working with Mack Rides on this.
I think you might not have heard of them, I don't know.
Yeah, they're a local manufacturer.
Yeah. Right. In Valguard. So we're going to move Seal Falls down there. The big reveal.
Finally tonight, we do have another announcement to make, a brand new competition with Parkitect. So we're inviting all of you, both here and at home, to submit your best creation inspired by the world, the realm of Valguard. It could be either an in-game Parkitect build or a piece of artwork inspired by Valguard. So the full details will be announced tomorrow morning on our social media, so check that out, and the winner will receive tickets to the Serpent's Curse opening day next year. So get creating and make sure you send your submissions in to us. So we hope everyone watching here and at home has enjoyed our presentation, and we will see you guys next year for the opening of Serpent's Curse.
There we go. That is Superfan Day done.
But the worst kept secret is out.
The worst kept secret is out. I'm not gonna lie.
That being said, we didn't know all the specs of the ride.
We didn't, and we didn't know the POV. We got to see the POV as well.
Yes.
Which was quite cool.
That is really cool. It looks like it's going to have the same top speeds as Drakon, which is cool.
And it's going to be a world's first to have a top hat.
And it's a UK first.
Yeah.
As
water
well,
coaster.
Which is great. It's really cool to see such a little underrated park actually come out and smash it.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately, there is no retheme or anything on the cards for Edge, which is a bit of a shame because it does look a bit like a sore thumb.
It does. I mean, a little lick of paint, but these things do cost. I was going to say, it costs thousands of pounds for
millions
or millions to repaint
things. They said
things.
$500,000 to $1 million.
Yeah. But yeah, once again, thank you to Paultons Park for inviting us down. It's
These
been
super
fantastic.
fan events are the one event that I look forward to every year.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's so
Definitely.
much fun.
The one thing I would like to add is I forgot on our Valgar video that this the Drakon is Paultons Park's first inverted ride.
It is.
Yeah,
It is.
I forgot to say that.
Paultons are definitely smashing it. The solar stuff they're smashing. They just want to keep improving and improving and improving, and I think they're doing a great job.
You really do have to get yourselves down here. It's a great family
Honestly.
park. It's a park for
It
everybody.
is a park that we rave about a lot on
Yeah.
this channel.
Live
and it
streams.
is well deserved. So, yeah. We definitely want to come down again. We want to try and get down for Halloween. We want to try and come back to do a ride access video because I left it too late to try and get ride access for this event today.
Yeah.
So, but yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Watch
nice
this
to see
space.
people. We got to go that way, I think. Nice to catch up with people.
Yes.
Nice to explore.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Spent
yeah.
way too much money on
No,
merch.
yeah, I've got a new
Oh.
hat. Got a new hat. Watch out for that in future vlogs.
Wait, Paultons, if you're watching, I fell in love with the trolls. So can we please have merch so I can take one home?
We need a plushie of the trolls. But yeah, we'll leave it there. What a day. Thank you, Paultons Park. Fantastic super fan day. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we shall see you on our next adventure. Bye.